Hello guys, myself Shad. In today's video, I am going to tell you about DaVinci Resolve, which is a professional video editing software and is free to use. It gives competition to many other applications such as Final Cut Pro and Premiere Pro 2. It also offers you to do work like motion graphics and audio editing on it. I am going to tell you whole process of downloading and installing it. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So guys, in order to download DaVinci Resolve in your PC, you have to open your browser and you have to search on your search bar DaVinci Resolve. Go to the first link, which is from blackmagicdesign.com. After that, you have to scroll a little bit and click on download now button. This software comes in two different versions. First is normal version and second is studio version. Studio is paid. We have to download the normal version, which is DaVinci Resolve 17 beta. To download this, you have to select the platform. I am downloading it for Windows. Then you have to fill these details. After which you have to click on this button to download the zip file. After downloading the file, you have to come to your download location and extract this zip file. After extraction, go to the folder in which you have extracted the file. Then run the application. Here we have to select the utilities we want to install. 3 of them is already checked. I also do some audio works in this. That's why I will also install Fairlight Audio Accelerator. I will check that and click on install button. It will take some time. You have to wait. I am again telling you, this is a very professional application which gives competition to the Final Cut Pro and Premiere Pro. You will definitely enjoy using it. Then click on next. Then accept the terms and conditions. And again click on next. Then select the path in which you want to install the file. Then click on next. Then finally click on install. So now we can see the installation of this program is finished. Now click on finish button. So our installation is successful, but we also have to block this from the Windows firewall to make it work properly. So open your search bar and search for Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Then open it. After opening it, click on outbound rule. Then set a new rule. Select program. Then click on next. Here we have to enter the path in which the program is installed. So I am opening the file location. So here is the path where I have installed my application. I am copying it and pasting it in this box. Then again click on next. Then block all the connections and next. Then again next. Then give it a name. I am naming it Resolve 17. Then click on finish. So we are all set. We can run our program. Simply open DaVinci Resolve. It will take some time to load for the first time when you open it. So here is the project manager. I am creating a new project to explain you. I am naming it Resolve. Here I had edited the video which you are currently watching. Click on create. Then we have this tab. This is our cut tab. Here we can import the clips and cut them down in sequences. After which we have edit tab, where we have our preview window and our timeline. You can also watch your clips without dragging them in timeline. By turning off this introspector mode, here we can watch our original clips which are not edited yet. After this we have Fusion tab, where we can do all the work that we do on After Effects. After which we have Color tab, which is a very professional color grading tab. You can see multiple windows here, you can add nodes, etc. You can see preview window, different color wheels and many more things here. After which we have Fairlight page. Here we can record our audio, edit it. We have multiple effects and presets which are free to use. Finally we have Deliver page, where we can render our clips and export it to our PC. There are multiple presets such as video for YouTube and Twitter with different quality options. So it is very easy to install this and use it. It is very professional application which you can use for free. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give a thumbs up to this video, and if you are new, please consider subscribing my channel. A lot of new and crazy stuffs are coming very soon. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye, take care.